How to delete missed calls on Messenger. So for you to be able to make this work, all you have to do first, this is very important. Go to your Google Play Store or wherever you download any apps on your phone. Look for the Messenger app, and then in here, ensure that you're currently running the latest version of Messenger, or just simply use the 2025 version of Messenger for you to have access to this kind of feature. Now open up your Messenger application and then just go directly into that specific person that you would like that missed call to be deleted. So on those late or older versions, you don't actually have an option to just simply tapping and holding those missed calls and delete them immediately. But if you update it into the latest version as of 2025, if you press and hold on missed call, you should be able now then to have this feature to delete this specific option right here. Tap on delete once again, and then just simply choose on delete for you. And that is it. That is how you delete missed calls on Messenger.